I had that feeling of self-pity. What to do, what to do, what to do. The outlook was decidedly blue. But as I walked through the dreary streets alone, it turned out to be the loveliest day I've known. A foggy day in London town had me low and it had me down. I viewed the morning with much alarm. British Museum, he was a loser to charm him. How long, I wondered, could this thing last? But the age of miracles, it never passed. For suddenly I saw you standing right there, and in foggy London town the sun was shining everywhere. And an Englishman is happy when he's fighting for his queen.